Hey guys, excuse the hair, about to get it done, but welcome back to Just Jade. Got my baby boy with me today, but he is on his way to summer camp. We are getting ready to leave the house. Yeah, so I can go get my hair done. Of course, Belaid is doing my hair today, but we're doing something different. We are not doing a wig, ladies and gentlemen. We are not. We are doing microlinks. I know. I'm like super excited. That's why I have my natural hair out. I straightened it the other day, like literally a day ago, but she's gonna go back and re-straighten it because it's pretty clean. Grab that lash right there. So yeah, so I'm gonna take y'all on this journey today, the full journey, the drop off of the kid and everything. So see y'all in a minute. All right guys, so I had to make a Starbucks run because it's an early morning. So right now I'm gonna pull up at Starbucks, get me and Briana something, and then I'm gonna pull up to the shop. Yeah, it's gloomy today. It's so gloomy in Huntsville. Like, it's been so sunny and stuff, but now it's gloomy. It's probably gonna rain again. It's been raining on and off for the past 3 days, so we'll see. All right guys, so we in the building. It's finna get cracking, y'all. When I tell you I'm so excited because these links is finna be, and Briana does not do links. This is finna be a new service. So for the confused, like, oh my God, I didn't know she did it. She doesn't do it.
I haven't been doing it.
She hasn't been doing it. She did it years ago. But back then, you know, that was not an African American thing so much. That was more of a white woman thing. So now, me and my worrisome self with our friendship, I'm like, no, you gotta do it. So now we're gonna do it. So she's gonna add the service back, and you'll be able to get the service, but it'll only be offered literally 1 day a week. And of course, y'all know she's so sick with the hands, the price is not gonna be playing with anybody. So don't be coming trying to cut no deals or no bargains, because that's not even happening. Alright guys, so the first process has been done. I'm silked, my ends are cut, we're healthy. So now we're gonna start process number 2. Okay guys, so we're like at the top. Do y'all see how flat this is? The kids gonna be bad. I'm angry. Alright guys, so we are curling. All the links are in. And clearly you cannot tell where my hair starts or ends. All right, guys, so my hair is in. I meant to tell y'all earlier the hair that we were using was Belaid Official's straight natural textured hair. It's not like the wig hair that she uses. It's a textured line that she does have. But yeah, it is absolutely amazing, as y'all saw in some of the other clips. Like, undetectable, can't see anything. It looks gorgeous. I've gotten so many compliments. So of course, I'm gonna put her information below. This is a new service, so it's not gonna be like a wig service. So she's only gonna offer it certain times, but I recommend it for all my folks that just want to wear their natural hair and want to look, naturally cute with a little bit of extra,